Hi guys, welcome to Appliance Fault, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the water inlet valves in this Bosch washing machine. For this job I'll need three tools: pliers, flathead screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit. Let's get started. Disconnect the power and the water supply to the machine. Just this hose here, it screws to the back of the machine. It's hand tightened, you should be able to get it off with your hands. Get your T20 Torx bit and remove the two screws holding the lid. Once the screws are removed, grab the lid, pull it back, it should slide and come off. Your water inlet valves are located here. Using a flathead screwdriver, stick it under this tab under the water inlet valve and pry it open and push this tab up. While pushing the tab up, grab the solenoids and push them down like so and pull them into the machine. Once the solenoids are out, unplug the power supply to the solenoids. Simply press on this little tab and pull up on the connector gently. Once the electrical connector has been disconnected, using your pliers, move the hose clamps further up the hose, like so. Sometimes these hoses get stuck onto the solenoids, so if you grab them gently with your pliers and just twist the hoses around just to get them loose. Once you got them loose, just grab the hose and it should pull right off like so. Grab your new solenoid, reconnect the hoses, don't forget about the clamps, put the clamps back into its place and fitting the solenoid back in, push this tab in first like so. Push the rest of the solenoid down and into its hole. Once the solenoid is in its place, pull up and it should be nice and secure. You should hear a click and this should be nice and firm and not moving. Don't forget about the power connector. Receive the lid to the machine. Secure the lid with the two screws. Now the machine is ready to be reconnected and used. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.